recording?
Happy Easter 2011. Go.
Go!
Wow.
What can you find? Oh, there's one.
And another one.
Yep, put them in your basket, and then keep looking for more.
Catherine?
They're all over the grass, Catherine. Have you look around here?
She's busy eating her chocolate, Daddy.
I know.
At once, remember? This is my daughter. Find some eggs, Catherine. I found one of theirs right there.
No, you can get his too.
Pick them all. Pick them all. Aaron,
They don't have to be yours. Go ahead and put them in, and then get some more.
Aaron, you're getting a lunch.
Oh my gosh, you're in the picture. You're alive.
There you go. Keep looking. Come on out, Dad. Come on.
I got this one. Oh, I got this one. And I have. And this one. I have two.
Catherine, hurry. Get more. All the eggs. Pick them all.
one of mine. Okay.
I think
This one.
Oh, maybe a bunny got into it. Put it in your basket.
Aaron needs another basket.
No, I just opened.
Oh, okay. Put it in the basket.
Hurry up, Catherine. Hurry.
There you go.
Mine. Oh, mine.
Daddy, come on out.
Oh, mine. Hurry, Catherine. Go find more.
Go get more. There's lots more.
Mine. In your basket. The basket breaks. Oh, my goodness. Mine. Mine. I need another basket.
Yeah, we did. Aaron, let's pick up your basket really fast and we'll get more.
Look, I'm just going to get the red.
Try not to drop them in your basket. Place them in your basket softly. Ooh.
I want to do this one.
Easter Bunny sure was busy. Wow, Aaron, Grandma's got another basket.
Go!
Look up.
Woo! Hurry! Catherine, look over there. Catherine, look over there. There you go.
The competition has begun.
Start.
Catherine's just throwing them in her basket.
That's all right, Catherine. Where else can you look?
A bunny.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Winnie would love to come out here and find this. Mm. Yummy. Morning, Mama.
Good morning. I see one. I see one. Oh, I got this one over here. Maybe.
I see one. It's close to me.
Yep, I see one too.
Go over there. Go look.
warm, warmer, cold, cold, warmer, warmer, hot, ding, 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 ding.
Ha!
Catherine, I see one. Aaron, I see one.
Ooh, Aaron, I see one. It's kind of up high. It's somewhere you and Catherine were earlier. Keep looking. Getting warmer.
See that? I see that one. Go back right where you are. Catherine, where is it? Catherine.
It's starting to warm up.
Poor kid can't even reach that high. Wow. Wow.
Oh, I see another one. Catherine. Look at those bushes.
Catherine.
There's another one over there. So look. I see it. It's kind of orange. Keep on going. Walk straight. Walk straight.
Warm, cold, cold, cold,
Turn around.
cold, warm, warm, hot, 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 Bernie, hot, Bernie, hot.
Get it.
Get it.
Ding, 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 ding.
I don't know. Gotta keep looking.
I see one. Warm, warm, hot, up, cold, 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 cold,
Oh, I see it.
cold, warm, warm, warmer, warmer,
Keep on walking. Just walk.
warmer, 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 colder, colder, colder,
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
cold, freezing, ice cube. Turn around. Stop, stop, stop.
Aaron, your mommy found one.
I'm coping. Now, one more.
Warmer. Ding, 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 ding. Aaron, thank you for listening to me.
Are we?
Hey, Holly, you can look for since I saw other cold, warm, warmer, hot, 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 hot. Is there something there, or did I just see a flower bloom?
No, there's nothing more over here.
How many did you put up?
I don't know. I don't know. The bunny took them out. I don't have a clue.
I believe they're all gone.
Dog down.
So I had to wrestle her for some last night. She snuck out here and started to. I was like, no. She grabbed one in her mouth and took off. I grabbed her and I was like, no, mine.
Catherine! Catherine, come over here. Look at Grandma.
Let your sister get at me, huh?
Ooh, Aaron, I found another one over here.
Aaron, run. Go to your mom.
Go to this backyard and feed some runs.
Motion says
Bunny?
Mommy! It's another bunny! I found one! What's that one? Daddy, Trey! What? No, I don't want to.
These chairs were bought in 1946.
wow.
That one!
my gosh.
We bought them in Chicago.
I'm in the lead.
It's not a race. I think that it might be. Well, we have to look one more time. They might be all done, and then we open them up and see what you got.
All right. Happy Easter.